Hello everyone, and welcome. Glowing Star. Today, we are going to start with energy, focus, and no distractions. In a moment, you will see an image that we will describe using basic, intermediate, and advanced English. This will help you improve your vocabulary, listening, and speaking skills step by step. At the end of each level, we will learn new vocabulary words and their meanings to expand your English even more. Get ready to learn, practice, and enjoy the process. Let's begin right now. Basic English. Every day I choose to take care of myself. I wake up early and take a shower. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and wear clean clothes. I like to look neat because it makes me feel happy and confident. I also eat healthy food like fruit, vegetables, eggs, and chicken. I drink plenty of water because it helps my body stay strong. I exercise every morning. Sometimes I walk, run, or do simple workouts at home. Exercise gives me energy and helps me stay healthy. I pray to God every day. I thank Him for my life, my family, and every new morning. After praying, I read the Bible. God's Word teaches me to love others, forgive, be patient, and make wise choices. I learn something new every day. I always try to be a better person than I was yesterday. I smile, help people, speak kindly, and work hard. I know that good habits make a good life. I believe that small actions every day create big changes in the future. I want to honor God with my life, take care of my health, and become the best version of myself every single day. Vocabulary. Healthy. Shower. Brush. Teeth. Clothes. Forgive. Patient. Intermediate English. Taking care of myself is one of my daily priorities because I believe that a healthy body and a peaceful mind help me live a better life. Every morning I start my day by taking a shower, brushing my teeth, and dressing in clean clothes. Being clean gives me confidence and prepares me for the day ahead. I also pay attention to my health by eating nutritious meals and exercising regularly. Physical activity keeps me strong, improves my mood, and gives me the energy I need to accomplish my daily tasks. I understand that taking care of my body is a responsibility, not just a choice. My spiritual life is equally important. I begin each day with prayer, asking God for wisdom, strength, and guidance. Then I spend time reading the Bible because it teaches me how to live with love, honesty, patience, and compassion. These lessons encourage me to become a better person every day. I know that personal growth happens little by little. Every day I try to improve my attitude, my habits, and my relationship with God and other people. My goal is not perfection but continuous progress. I want each new day to be better than the previous one through faith, discipline, and gratitude. Vocabulary. Priorities. Confidence. Regularly. Physical activity. Guidance. Faith. Encourage. Advanced English. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle requires commitment, discipline, and consistency. I believe that true well-being involves caring for my physical, mental, and spiritual health every single day. For this reason, I make personal hygiene a priority by keeping myself clean, dressing neatly, and presenting myself with confidence and respect. I nourish my body with balanced meals, proper hydration, and regular exercise because good health enables me to perform at my best. Rather than viewing these habits as obligations, I see them as valuable investments in my future and overall quality of life. My relationship with God is the foundation of everything I do. Every morning I dedicate time to prayer, expressing gratitude and seeking divine wisdom before making decisions. Reading the Bible strengthens my faith, transforms my character, and reminds me to live with humility, integrity, compassion, and perseverance. God's Word inspires me to overcome challenges while remaining hopeful and faithful. I firmly believe that genuine success is measured by continuous self-improvement rather than comparison with others. Each day presents a new opportunity to become wiser, healthier, kinder, and spiritually stronger than I was yesterday. By cultivating positive habits and trusting God's guidance, I strive to live a meaningful life that reflects His love and brings encouragement to those around me. vocabulary, commitment, physical, mental, confidence, nourish, humility, self-improvement, meaningful, encouragement. Great job today. Glowing star. Today, you made progress, and if you continue practicing like this every day, you will become better and more confident in English step by step. Remember, every small effort brings you closer to your goals. Keep learning, keep improving, and never give up. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new today. I'll see you in the next video, specially made for you. Rocket.